This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord cabin air filter. First, gather your essential tools, which include a new cabin air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle, specifically a 2008 Honda Accord, is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off. You will begin by locating the glove box, which is situated on the passenger side of your car. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the filter housing. Begin by opening the glove box completely and carefully removing all its contents to create a clear workspace. Next, you will need to detach the small dampener arm, which is typically found on the right-hand side of the glove box assembly. Gently pull it free. Finally, squeeze the sides of the glove box inward. This action will release the stopper tabs, allowing the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. With the glove box out of the way, you will now see the cabin air filter housing cover. It is usually secured by two small retaining clips. Gently unclip these and carefully remove the cover. Before pulling out the old filter, take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow printed on it. This is crucial. Now, remove the old filter. Take your new filter and insert it, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. To complete the process, let's reassemble everything. First, place the cabin air filter housing cover back into position and firmly secure its two retaining clips. Next, carefully reinstall the glove box by aligning its stopper tabs with their respective slots and pushing it gently into place. Don't forget to reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Finally, give the glove box a quick test, ensuring it opens and closes smoothly and securely. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.